No mercy has begun. Ladies and gentlemen, Machine Gun Kelly.
This kid, I think he is a star. He's one of the best live performers I've ever seen. He's also more importantly a movement.
Backpack, fuck that. I was always hanging where the thugs at. I was always hanging with the rugrats. Someone come and show me where the drugs at. Someone come and pop on a hot song, mean my shit, get an iPhone, take a video and make it last song, get some popcorn, cause I murder every single instrumental that I get on. And a motherfucker isn't gonna stop the shit until I'm making up, I'm like a Tupacalypse. Until I'm killing everybody like an until I'm revolutionary like a Gandhi is. Until I'm popping all these ballers to accomplishments. Until I'm always high no matter what the climate is. Until whenever somebody is feeling talkative, my name is Butler, doesn't matter what the topic is. Didn't think I rap, bitch, I flow like boom boom back. Bitch, I come from, but you never move that. Look into my room, get a view, look at my past, goddamn. Got weed, got jack, got cheese, had that, got Jimmy, got slash, got shrooms, got hash. Bipolar syndrome, kicked in, got mad, walked on the red carpet like kiss my ass, you bitch.
The only developed, on point performer on the bill. Only thing about lyricists, then you know who MGK is.
I need a freestyle. I need to hear Machine Gun Kelly spit.
Fuck that, y'all don't gotta hear shit. Ask anybody in the 216 if my name rings bells and them bricks. Everybody know who that is. What you hate, boy, you late, boy. You ain't heard about that great boy. 3-letter name called Cage Boy. Used to live right there up the way, boy. Man, you heard about him, you said the name. You saw the iTunes and clicked the play. You like the shit and you bought the shit. Put them on a playlist right next to Jay. And your girl saw me, I signed a tits and she disappeared. You couldn't find a bitch. And your heart stopped, you know what time it is? I put my dick in a common sense. Fuck boy, you lonely. Fuck boy, you phony. You would think these fuck boys fucking boys with the way that they be y'all on me. If it ain't EST in your mouth, then whatever you rap is corny. Got a new single without me on it, that shit boring. Bitch, I'm snoring, man, I'm touring every damn day. I showed y'all how to turn up. 100 J's in my ashtray, bitch, I showed y'all how to burn up. I sacrificed what y'all wouldn't give to these kids, and now you love fans. None of these rappers got a movement. Tell them quit jocking my ass. And Joe can have the bloggers, I don't type shit. God gave me both these hands to fight with. What's up? Now it's like a night quick, cause my right fist like Vikings. Might just throw you on the ground like Dyson. Might just go into the pocket with your license. Get a wallet and a couple dollars by night shit. Bitches all over my dick, that's priceless. I just fuck 'em at the wet like Pisces. Vibes is jealous of the bitch I'm with, cause they almost F like D-. Get it? Digest every little word I'm spitting, cause it's food for thoughts, so pay attention. Better listen, I'm on a mission to kill enough all of my competition, and I'm doing with that. Then good riddance, motherfucker.
That Machine Gun Kelly seems like somebody you would diss.